Namaste. A brief meditation for beginners to start your day. Let's for meditation sit down, any easy, comfortable pose. Let's sitting straight. Touching index finger with your thumb. Pointing three fingers forward. Jnana Mudra. Keep eyes closed. Soften your neck. Soften your shoulders. Just follow my instructions. Just a little more relax your face and facial muscles. Relaxing your jaw. Relaxing your tongue. Root of the tongue. Relax. Relax your tip of the nose. Relax the root of the nose. Keep relaxing your eyebrow. Relaxing surround of your eyes. Let's feel your breathing. Make your breath little longer. Exhaling longer. Inhaling longer slowly. Exhale longer. Please follow my instructions. Inhale longer. Exhale longer. Inhale longer. This time exhale longer and hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhaling longer, no rush. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling longer, empty, hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and longer. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, soft breathing. Now bring beautiful smile on your face. Bring beautiful smile on your face. And you experiencing all of that. You're able to experience relaxing face. You're able to experience bringing a smile on the face. You can feel calm and relaxed. Your concentration is getting better and better. Enjoy this beautiful, peaceful moment. Continue. Hold beautiful smile. Continue soften shoulders. Keep back straight. Gentle smile. Gentle smile. This is your mantra. Mantra is holding beautiful smile and softening shoulder. Many times throughout the day, bringing a smile and softening shoulder. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. You did really good job. Inhale 4 Om and 3 Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Proud yourself. Big smile. Keep holding that smile. Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. If you want a little bit more longer meditations and more practice about yoga, about your well-being, you can go to akhandayogaonline.com. There is many beautiful practice for you. Hari Om Tat Sat.